What's up everyone, Jeff with PolarPro, and we've been getting a lot of requests on how to orient a polarizer filter for the Mavic Air. There are pretty much two different ways how to do it. One's more based on like recreational flying, and one is for higher value productions where everything needs to be perfect. So let's get out there and go over the two methods. So the first thing to understand is that the maximum polarization angle is going to change depending on the camera's direction relative to the sun. So when the camera is pointing this way, it's going to have a different maximum polarization setting than if the camera is pointing this way. So if you're flying recreationally, you're gonna wanna point the drone camera 90 degrees from the sun, and you're gonna rotate the filter until you find the maximum polarization angle. And you're gonna rotate it until you see that sky turn a nice dark blue. You'll see the clouds pop, and you'll see the reflections dissipate off the ground. So I like to do this by kind of looking at my monitor down here, and I'll rotate the filter until I see that sweet spot, and you can see right there. That's when I get the nice deep blue skies and you see the clouds popping and the reflections off the bottom. It's really easy with a crystal sky monitor, but a little more challenging on the iPhones. But this is how you do it with the Mavic Air. And this is going to give you kind of a generic polarization setting, which is going to be perfect 90 degrees from the sun, and it's going to be pretty good when it's pointed here, here, and here. And then the second way to align polarization is for if you're shooting in high production value scenarios where you need polarization to be absolutely perfect for each shot. You're gonna actually go ahead and align the polarizer for each specific scene, take off, get the shot, come back down, land it, and then get to the next scene, align the polarizer for that specific scene, and repeat for each shot. It does take a lot of work, but that's gonna ensure that everything is perfect. To summarize, if I'm shooting recreationally, I'm going to align the polarizer once, 90 degrees from the sun, and although it will not be perfect for each specific way the drone's facing, it's still going to reduce glare and improve color saturation and contrast. And if I'm shooting in a high production value situation where everything's got to be perfect, I'm going to take the time, align the filter for each shot, and I'm gonna have perfect polarization all the way through. All right, so that's it for this one. If you guys are not already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below and we'll get those answered. And I'll see you on the next one.